Hard operating system. Advantage. Security. Fewer Mac in use make it less likely to encounter a virus or malware designed for the platform. Reliability. A much more stable environment than Windows. Convenience. iPads, and other Apple-based devices offer compatibility. Advanced technology. LED monitors, touchscreen monitors, and various other technologies which make our system first. Disadvantage. No customization upgrades cannot be mixed and matched like Windows. Expensive. A Macintosh operating system is often treated as much as a Windows-based system. Limited gaming options. Very few games are available for the macOS, making Windows the operating system of choice for serious games.